I'm Joseph, and welcome to a new series. We're going to call it Killer Croc Custom Cardboard Concepting Company. That's a mouthful. Basically made for the cardboard Nova V. We're gonna call it C6, which is not the Corvette. It is Killer Croc Customs Cardboard Concepting Company. That's a mouthful. Courtesy of Justin for the name. I still think we should edit it down, but you know what? We're gonna go with it because I like the name anyway, and I think cardboard having incorporated into it is good. And any number that we do with a C on it is gonna have any relation with Corvette, so we're not gonna fight it too much. Anyway, so really going to continue off of what I was saying. This series is mainly just for cardboard models. It just so happens that we're going to be making the Nova V. So that's going to be a lot of fun. This is not the first episode. This is going to be the pilot episode. I'm going to talk about it a little bit more in passing. And what we're going to be doing with this series. You know, it's going to be a quick couple-minute video, but then I'm going to get onto the big stuff. Anyway, but yeah, so this is really going to be, as I said, just mainly about the cardboard models. And as I said, not just for the Nova V, but also when we get on to, like, if we really want to make Libra, we want to make other things like smaller, basically smaller models. Let me throw this out. Basically, there we go. Come on. There we go. No, that's back. Get away from me. There we go. Basically, any model that we want to make smaller. So that we can work on it before we do it. Here's a great example. I'm going to be showing this. Actually, here's a little sneak peek of the Nova V video. I'm going to be cutting this and doing some work on it as well. But I won't be talking about that much more. As I said, this is not the Nova V video. So yeah, just keep a lookout for this series. As I said, a lot of cardboard. That's really going to be it. If you guys like a lot of crafts, arts and crafts and stuff, this is definitely going to be your series. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have a great time. And yeah, that's really it. You know, we're going to be pretty much just doing concepting at a lower scale. There's Justin in the back, not being quiet.
Maybe I'll be in an episode?
Oh, that's actually a great question, Justin. Actually, yeah. This thing is pretty much going to whack me in the face. Justin actually can be in this series. It's not like just an only me series. It could be a me and Justin episode. It could be a Justin episode. It could be a me episode. It's just anything to do with cardboard. So that was a great question, Justin. Yeah, you're welcome. Now get back to work, slave. I'm kidding. I swear, I promise you I'm kidding. Yeah, that's really it. I'm not really going to prolong this anymore. It's just about a solid 4-minute video. Anyway, hope you guys did enjoy this video. So as I said, it's a little introduction, you know. Definitely be on the lookout for it. I wanted to make a pilot episode explaining what we're going to be doing with it before I actually got into it, because you guys would be like, what the heck is this new series C6 called? Why is it coming up when I look up the new Corvette? No, first off, it's not the new Corvette number. It's the C8. But still, not the point. We're not going to be doing that. So now you guys know, it's not a Corvette, it's a cardboard company. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Definitely look out for the episodes, and if you did, definitely smash the like button, and the subscribe button, and the bell notification so you guys do know when we post. Ooh, no, I'm just kidding. Anyway, hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm Joseph, and I will triple see you later. Peace, guys.